It will be a repeat of last year's final when the unbeaten Manchester Spurs and defending champions Kingston Hummingbirds contest this year's decider for the Red Stripe Flavours Elite Netball League following semi-final results at the National Indoor Sports Centre recently.
Manchester Spurs have been dominant this season and they didn't show any signs of slowing down in the semi-finals against the St. Anne Orchids. The Spurs were on the front foot from the get-go with Monet Wilmot leading the way with 30 goals from 31 attempts. The fast-starting Spurs established a 15-10 lead at the end of the first quarter and half-time were ahead by 20. It was 52-31 after the third period before the Spurs closed out the contest 67-39 for the win. Shanice Beckford supported Wilmot with 17 from 18 and Kadeen Gordon had a perfect 13 from 13.
I think all in all it was a fairly good performance. There are still areas that we could have tightened up on, but at the end of the day we won, which is great.
It was a much closer contest between the Kingston Hummingbirds and the St. Catherine Racers. Both teams traded goals, which saw the first quarter ended 14-13 in favor of the Hummingbirds. It got dicey thereafter as the two were tied 31-all at halftime and 43-all at the end of the third quarter. But the final quarter proved decisive as the Racers were only able to score 11 goals compared to the Hummingbirds 18 who won 61-54. Tracy and Francis had 50 goals from 52 attempts for the Hummingbirds, while Racers Azana Wilmot had 36 from 44.
In the fourth quarter, the ladies really came out and they pushed through. And they had, they talk about it in the third quarter to say that it's control. We just want to score all of our goals. We went back in the fourth quarter and we just take it away, take it over the line.
The final will be played next Sunday. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.